Right, guys, girls, I'm looking to sell this industrial vac that I've had. This is my own personal unit. It's surplus requirements now. It's far too big for what I require. It's in correct full working order. It comes with just a standard wand and hose. Hose is actually a lot more robust than you'd get on a normal vac. It's a two-stage vac, so basically you've got one, two. It's got a pleated filter cartridge in the top, bags of suction, but I'm going to let the vacuum do the talking. So I'm just going to pick up this debris on the floor, and there's my workbench over there that I'm actually just going to clear up. So we'll start with one motor first of all, and you can see what it'll do. That's just one motor. If I got something a bit more, if it's slightly larger, you can always take the end off. Between the mats, but we switch to the bench. Again, it's just a general workshop vac. It's not high-tech. You can buy other fittings for it, but it is a case of a very good vac. Not really one of those guys, but the thing is at the same time, no point in keeping it because I'm not going to find the use for it. So, right. For general clean purposes in your workshop, and it is a Delphin unit. It is an industrial unit. So, any interest? If you want to give us a contact on the address that we'll leave below, then you're welcome to do so.